Hello class 9 children, as you all know we are doing digital documentation, and in that today we'll be doing the topic editing the document. Now first of all, what is editing? Editing means making changes to the already existing document. Now how to open that already existing file is using Ctrl+O from the keyboard. Now first action is undo and redo. Now what is the difference between these two actions? Undo means coming back to the task that you did, and redo means doing that task again. So undoing, basically what it is doing, it is if you have done certain thing wrongly, then you can come back to the original by doing undo, and redo you can repeat that same action. Now the shortcut key for undoing is Ctrl+Z, and the symbols I have showed you of undo and redo, and the options are present in the file menu, plus you can see also in the above in the quick access toolbar. Then second one is moving and copying text. First of all, what is the difference between moving and copying? Moving means taking the file or folder from one place to another. That means from the original location it gets removed and it is now moved to a new location. And copying means making two copies of the same folder or file at two other places. Moving basically means cutting, that is Ctrl+X is the shortcut key, and copying mainly means to copy, that is Ctrl+C is the shortcut key. Then third one is copy and paste. Copy you already know, Ctrl+C, and pasting that to a new location, the shortcut key is Ctrl+V. Then the fourth one says selecting the text. Now you want to select either a single word, then with the help of mouse you can do it. Take your mouse just before that word, and then using the cursor of the mouse, swipe over it, you can select, or with the help of shift key press it and then take your mouse over that word. Complete sentence also the same thing, you take your mouse cursor before the sentence and then swipe over it or use the shift key. Then if you want to select the complete document, then you have Ctrl+A as your shortcut key. Children, you need to learn these shortcut keys, and you should always make a column in your notebook by the end of the chapter, the various shortcut keys which are asked in the exams. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.